super windy. I don't know what you'll be able to hear, but we're out here with the S2000 with those new suspension pieces. Got my brother's key lock to undo the wheels. Now we're gonna try to jack it up because it's so freaking low. Be able to hopefully get it up in the air and get the suspension switched around and see what else is really broken. We got her jacked up. We got a big old block in the center of it. Because it was so low, we gotta fix the old skunk tubes and make them a little higher. I couldn't get a jack under it. So we made it work for now. I think there's way more damage in the back than was anticipated. I think the rim is like busted in half. Looks like there's a big hole in it. And the front, the tie rod end on the front, I will show you that, is definitely broken on, I think, inner tie rod on that front. So we need to get one of those ordered and installed. But we can still work on the control arm and things that are busted off and that are no good. Let me show you all the good stuff. So apparently they cut the studs, nice, just to make them work. Right there, ooh, look at that. Look at that weld job. Welded the top spindle control arm thing. Gets better. Looky here. Welded the inner tie rod. Because that is awesome. And they did a great job making it straight and lining it all up. So that looks like most of the damage. It's definitely the worst part. I got a new arm, new lower arm, spindle, all the good stuff. Eat that, you stupid tie rod end. So I had to cut that off because it's rusted. It's an awesome weld job. Look at that. Perfect. Tie rod end. We just got that bolt down there to take off and we can move everything. Our Skunk 2 Pro Series, fully adjustable, I don't know, 10 rating springs on the front or something. Sweet. We'll raise them up so we're not ridiculously low. There it is, progress. Adam's knocking out the backside. We're trying, and then we're almost got the front side. So pieces are coming off, but it's starting to get hot and warm and sunny and noon o'clock time. So they're definitely messed up. There's definitely a bend the size of Texas right there in that one, and all the mounts are kind of turned over sideways. Front definitely has some problems. We showed you most of those. I'm trying to get one bolt off to finish pulling out that lower control arm, and we can go from there. So yeah, they definitely beautied the thing up because it is wrecked, and there's a hole in this rim the size of China right there. So I don't think that rim will be any good. What do you think, Adam? Perfect?
Yeah, it's
JB welded.
Naturally
JB weld.
naturally balanced.
Yeah. Permanent positive balance.
Yeah.
Alright guys, good progress getting these together. We got bolts soaking, a couple we can't get loose. I need to get a socket to fix the axle nut, be able to take that off. I need to get a big hammer so I can smash some stuff. And then we got a bolt soaking on the front. So the front's one bolt away, and this one's one bolt and an axle nut away from coming off. So good progress for a couple hours this morning before I have to go do some other work and do other stuff. So progress is happening. We're making it work. Again, there was a lot of damage to suspension components and rims and whatnot, bent control arms and broken spindles and stuff. So glad we got all the good parts here to fix all this. So we got progress. See, a whole bunch of land, open land, and a rear-wheel drive car, and Seth. So maybe we will make something fun happen. Wait and see.
Ooh. Okay, Seth. You ready to go for a ride?
Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah. The back wheel off of them.
I think it's bumpy at the top.
Woo!
How was that?
Oh yeah.
Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Was that scary?
Nah.
Was that fun?
Nah.
Nah.
Alright, there's a little drift. That's where we are for now. We'll see if I get some more later this afternoon. I definitely have to get sway bar end links and inner tie rod, and I need to get an axle nut that will take off this axle because I don't have one the right size for this thingy. So I think it's a 32-ish, somewhere in there, inch and a half. But I don't have one, so I'll have to get one